when Wayne came to Spencer and I, we were like, wow, those are some pretty big numbers, and it might be a little bit overwhelming for new people to understand. So, can you meet some criteria? Can you break this down to make it newbie friendly? Can you make it not super technically complicated and make it just so easy that my mom could do it? And could you get people up and running for free in the next 24 to 48 hours? So Wayne went back to the drawing board and came up with Profit Vortex. This is a completely fresh, unique system by someone who's doing massive numbers. And the one thing that we also needed to make sure was that, he's actually taught this before and was able to get people like you crazy results. And some of his best clients are doing $50,000 to $100,000 a month. Now, if that's overwhelming to you, that's cool. That's a little bit overwhelming to a lot of people. So this system was designed to get you up to $250 to $300 a day quickly. And you get to build your list for free. You don't have to pay for traffic. You don't need any products. You don't need to do any videos. Now, this is launch week. So once launch week is over, we're going to be jacking this price up. And once you get inside there, you're going to understand why. So go ahead, scroll down on this page, check out all the details, the testimonials, the proof, and then hit that buy button and we will see you on the inside.